Malik's Nomadic Travels. We don't know what we finna get into. You heard? I'm here. What's happening, y'all? It's quiet time. You're at the club. It's not quiet time. But we're going to Portugal today. Well, I guess tomorrow, because I have a late flight. I'm at the airport hella early, of course, as well as all the other lounges were closed. So I'm stuck for paying for the club, which isn't bad so far. I ordered a meal. You gotta see the camera cool. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the meal, enjoy it, upload some content, and get ready for this trip. This is the food they offer. It's not too bad for everything being free. I also didn't have a beverage, so I'm gonna go get that. Offered beers, you know. Gonna eat my breakfast / lunch and do dinner, I guess, all at once. And yeah, start editing, get to work. We getting lit. We're drinking beers while we're celebratory uploading. But yeah, I'm still waiting. I have like 5 more hours to wait here, and I don't know what time I'm supposed to leave. So I'm just hanging out here in this little cocoon. Yo, tell me how I'm at the airport, right? And I get spotted by a fan. No, I'm kidding. It's my cousin though. I see him working out here. Got his little suit on. Okay. Looking like he about to sell some cars. So, as you know, I'm on the move. I'm on the go. We're late. Super late. We got delayed, held up for no reason. And I'm just plugging it. I'm not even trying to get on a zip. I gotta go. Alright, gang, we made the flight, gang. We did it. All that running and my calves are on fire, but we did it. Told you, exciting stuff. We got some exciting stuff. Got the seat. Made it on here. Time for this long ass flight, bro. Got an Xbox. All right, gang, we in Portugal now at airports. I have no clue where I'm going or where to go. I guess that's the same thing. Saída, exit, and that's what we're looking for. It's like a super mall here. I don't know what to do. I'm finna just buy a jersey from Football Gate. From Football Gate. Get me a football jersey to go. Just got out the shower, freshened up. Now we're about to find some more things, cool things to do. You know what I'm saying? We got workout rooms, pool kitty, foosball table, gym, ping pong. Derek, what up? Say what up, Derek. What's up? Walking. just walking. We at the mall, doing mall stuff. I have no clue where I'm going. I'm walking in front of the group like I know where I'm going. I don't even know how I got here. They follow me. I got my boy Derek. He here. Derek out here. Oh, there's some starfish with broken hands. This is the streets that Ronaldo has walked through. I'm walking through the same streets as Ronaldo, you know? You know what I'm saying? Look at this place. This place got water. My man Miguel got water. Walking, looking at the water. I want to see some European water. That's European water right there. It's alleyways. It's nothing but like alleyways. Everybody's walking through an alleyway. We don't know where we're going. We're being taken somewhere. We European adventuring. We found a door. We gonna go through the door. Ugh. Hopefully there's no poison ivy. I do not know what the hell is in here. Ow. Ow. Cutting everything up. Oh, there's a whole walkway. I'm an idiot. All right, quick battery change. We're out. Coming to the door. Let's go. Adventure time. We're on an adventure. We're gonna go see some stuff. I don't know what we're gonna see, but we climbing rocks in Portugal. Holy shit. We're heading down the adventure tube. We're just gonna see what's down here. And we're gonna come right back up, that's all. I'm gonna see what's down there, we're gonna come right back up. Yeah. I got my boy Derek with me, that's my boy, bro. Derek ain't scared of no adventure. I mean, yeah, where you at? Oh, there you are, I thought you left me, I was scared for a second. Look at this. Woo-wee. I did it! I'm here! I did it! I'm here! Alright, we got some flicks and we out of here, bro. We can climb back our way up. Yeah, some adventure shit. Whew. In the forest, in the hidden cliffs of Portugal. Malik's Nomadic travels. We don't know what we finna get into. You heard? Bro, sun is setting, you know? Sun is setting by the cliff. I almost left you guys. Now we out of here. I almost left this. Damn.
Hand up there.
When they said the devil's mouth, the devil's mouth, hell's mouth, whose house? Devil's mouth house.